We already know final GDP on quarter 2 was minus 0.6%. And while we're waiting for Q3 advanced data coming up next week, here's the top 3 positive and negative real GDP growth by state on quarter 2. Number 3, West Virginia with 1.45% growth. Number 2, the Sunshine State, Florida, with 1.6% growth in quarter 2. Can you guess the number 1? Wrong. On the top of the list, we have Texas with a growth of 1.8%. On the negative side, number 3, Indiana with a negative 3.3% growth. Number 2, Connecticut with a 4.6% negative growth in quarter 2. Now can you guess the highest negative growth state in quarter 2? Wyoming with a negative growth of 4.8%. Overall, the real GDP decreased in 40 states and the District of Columbia in the second quarter of 2022, with a percentage change in real GDP ranging from 1.8% in Texas to minus 4.8% in Wyoming. If you want to know more about the GDP report, please leave us a comment below.